Welcome to Carroll Stream Motor Company's video tutorial series, where we help you learn all about your new Carroll Stream engine. Today we are going to walk you through the process of installing the key switch included with your motor. You'll notice right away that your key switch comes with 2 keys and has 3 different wires: a ring terminal, a spade terminal, and a clip terminal. As we go through the process, you'll see how each one connects to the engine. To begin connecting the key switch to the starter, you will need a 13mm wrench. Take the nut off the ring terminal and be sure to remove the lock and regular washers behind it. Place the O-ring on the ring terminal and replace the regular washer and lock washer in order before finger tightening the nut on the ring terminal. Next, attach the spade terminal to the metal port just above the ring terminal. Slide it on firmly and make sure it's nice and snug. Then clip the final wire into place. It should snap right in. Lastly, use your wrench to tighten the nut on the ring terminal. The key switch also comes with a handy mounting bracket for attaching it to the frame of your machine, or even to the engine itself. Be aware that if you do decide to attach the mounting bracket to the engine, you will have to make sure the wires do not run near the drive shaft. To attach the key switch to the mounting bracket, remove the plastic ring around the key slot by twisting it off, and then slide the keyhole into the mounting bracket from the curved side. Replace the plastic ring, and it's ready to go. Thank you for choosing Carroll Stream Motor Company for all of your engine needs. To talk to one of our amazing professionals today, call 888-208-2088. And for full stock listings and prices, go to carrollstream.com.